Day-10, are you ready to improve your Instagram game? Let's get started. And here's how to use a machine learning to track and optimize your Instagram performance in 2023. All the time, ask yourself why the viral video did not happen to you. Me too. And so, you wanted to know the key to make your video go viral. Keep asking yourself, what can I do differently? Okay, and one tiny things, and this is not a sponsored video. So, we will explore how to use AI-enhanced analytics to analyze your content, track your metric, and make a data-driven decision that optimizes your strategy. Hey there, we are existing to introduce a Flex Blast feature, Flex Social. Open the benchmarks. This feature sources information from various accounts all over Instagram, provide you with a better understanding of how your account is performing compared to the other on the platform. You will get a detailed breakdown of how other accounts are growing their followers, engagement rate, and other metrics, which not only help you assess your own performance, but also identifies opportunities of growth. Until now, get this kind of the information has been nearly impossible, so it's an incredible value. You will get a comprehensive analysis of your account's performance, including a followers growth rate, conversion rate, reach and impression, engagement rate, and more, to provide you with as many tools as possible to improve your Instagram presence and create a more effective content strategy. Can't wait to see the amazing result. Analyze your Instagram data using the planned apps. This will help you identify the trends and understand your audience better. Use data analysis to determine the best time to post and the type of contents that recently with your audience. Optimize your posts for the maximum engagement using the AI-generated relevant hashtags. Monetize your Instagram performance regularly and adjust your strategy. As needed, this topic focuses on the use of AI to analyze your Instagram performance and optimize your strategy for success. Let me know if you have any other requests or if there's anything else I can assist you with. Open Benchmark is a free but Flex.social request credit fulfillment for a 7-day free trial. Example of AI-enhanced analytic tools. When you are running for a while and need tools to add your learning, this is what you need. Don't miss anything. Following these tools, someone is free trial, but someone needs a credit card and also need an Instagram business account. Navigate the metrics dashboard, review your data, paying attention to metrics such as engagement, reach, and follower growth. Identify pattern and trending in your content's performance, such as which type of post performance best or what time of day your audience is most active. Use this information to adjust your content strategy by creating more of what works and less of the doesn't. Continuously track your progress over time and make adjustments as necessary to optimize your content and achieve better results. Show example of this data can be used to make a data-driven decision that optimizes your strategy, such as when to post, what hashtags to use, and what type of contents to create with the planned apps. I have provided a link in the bio or in the comments approved for you to watching after this video. Thank you for your watching, and I am Him, Insta Coach Him. Follow for more value.